Hi there. You must have heard the saying, dentistry is not expensive, but neglecting it can be. It simply demonstrates the importance of oral health for your overall well-being. In today's world, your teeth are unable to bear the side effects of modern-day consumption habits because you can't give the necessary attention to your teeth. And you might have noticed that junk food, sugar, candy, and your iced tea are beginning to affect your teeth. Ultimately, you become prone to teeth sensitivity, bad breath, etc. And even an ice cream will make you say, ouch! Sound right? Most likely your answer will be yes. Do you feel you have severe toothaches? Or have you had to deal with the problem of cavities, which can make you self-conscious at social gatherings? If you say yes, then don't take this lightly. You are facing critical problems with your oral health, and you need an experienced and well-qualified dentist to help you immediately. Someone who knows how important your teeth are for your life. But you're probably thinking, it takes a lot of time to search for an experienced and well-educated dentist near you. Don't worry, you don't have to spend a lot of time and energy to find the best services suited to your needs. We're here to offer you relief for all your dental problems. We aim to provide you with the best oral health care that your teeth deserve. With our assistance, you'll get relief with the most advanced and results-oriented techniques. We have a range of services for your assistance like root canal treatment, tooth whitening, implants, crown and caps, tooth extraction, filings, regular dental checkups. We always make it a point to provide you with the best services at the most affordable cost. All you need to do is get in touch with us by following the directions below or giving us a call now. Say goodbye to all your dental problems and start celebrating each day with a healthy smile. We promise your smile will definitely be your best feature.